Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Fortis Rear Bumper from Steelcraft on this Ford Bronco. The tools we'll be using for this installation are an 18mm socket with ratchet, along with an 18mm ratcheting wrench. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off with a factory rear bumper already removed. This particular Bronco has had lots of different aftermarket bumpers already installed, so the factory one's gone. If you want to see how that comes off, feel free to take a look at your paper instructions. Now let's go ahead and get the bumper prepped. Okay, so on your new bumper, you're going to have 4 holes to mount your factory sensors if you have them. If you do have factory sensors, just make sure they go back in the same orientation they came out of your factory bumper. And also you'll be provided with provisions to install those sensors in from the back. If you do not have factory sensors like us, they also give you some plastic caps that just snap right in from the front. Just repeat that on all the remaining sensors. Next, for our tag light, there is an opening that is fitted perfectly for your factory tag light. Now, we have a license plate relocation kit on our Bronco, so we no longer have the factory tag light, but if you do have the factory tag light, it snaps perfectly right into that location. And this is also a great time to go ahead and install any kind of reverse LED lights. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you how the bumper will connect. All right, here's our new bumper. I've got it rotated back so you guys can see what's going on underneath. So this plate right here has got the 2 oval holes. This is going to slide underneath our frame, and those oval holes are going to line up to the weld nuts that we have inside the bumper. This right here is where the factory tow hook was installed, and you can reuse the factory hardware to connect these locations. But what we've got, I'll be using some aftermarket hardware because that's what I had with the bumper that was on this truck last. Also in this location right here, you'll be provided with some hardware that will go up through that hole, and then when it lines up here, it's going to go through the hole here underneath your body mount, and you're going to put another washer on the other side of that with a lock washer and a nut. You're going to tighten everything down. Make sure when you line everything up and you get it in place, have a friend with you to help you steady everything, and then you're going to tighten everything down using an 18mm wrench and ratchet. All right, repeat the same on the opposite side. So now make sure you secure any kind of harnesses out of the way with some zip ties, and that concludes the installation. If you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below, and as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online at RealTruck.com.